Oh my god, that looks good. This is gonna be really good. This is gonna be really good. And just flip. Find the raw part and put the raw part on the pan. But don't scramble. If you scramble these eggs, they're gonna lose all their flavor, I think. I think what makes them so good is that they're basically fried eggs. What do you like, fried eggs or scrambled eggs? I like fried eggs. Do you like fried eggs with salsa and cheese? Well, yeah. I think everybody likes that. I don't think everybody's had that. It's so simple too, but it's such like a... Look at all of this stuff. Okay, that's done. You don't want to overcook it. You just need a plate now. How about a bowl? Bowl's okay. I don't know how that looks to you. I've never done this before, so it hasn't worked out. Camera angle. Okay. No! Don't melt. Don't melt. The pan lid. Put water in it. Hot water. Get up. Okay. It's fine. I don't have a clean fork right now, so I'm gonna go with the spoon. It's fine. I really should wrap that cheese up before I do anything else, even though the food is hot and good. Hot and good and amazing. Oh, I bet you it's gonna be good. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. Cheese, you have to make sure the plastic touches all of the cheese. Otherwise the cheese gets hard. I don't like hard cheese. Some people, they don't care. In France, at Angelique's house, they had so much hard cheese in their fridge. They didn't care. None of the cheese was wrapped with anything. They had a cheese drawer, and they just put the cheese in that drawer. That's what they did. Good. Let's try it. I think the camera's off by now. Let's see. Kind of flavorless and bland. Oh, it's still going. I think it's just like that because I didn't eat a part with lots of different colors. Let's try a different part. I think maybe it needs more salsa. But the sauce is so spicy and I'm sick now. I don't really like it that much. I made this before. It was, oh, that's a good bite. No. You know why it needs more salsa? That's why. That was a pretty good bite. So I never finished that story about the Monde, how I had that stain on my shirt. Well, what happened was I had this stain on my shirt, and I learned that because I actually got a lot of stains on my shirts. Oh, this is good actually. I got all these stains, and I learned that if you go to the bathroom immediately and you put soap and water on it, the stain will come out. You just have to like scrub it with soap and water, like a paper towel that's soapy, and scrub it crazy, like crazy a lot, and then take a towel and rinse it and rinse it and rinse it. You have to get your whole, like sometimes I get my whole boob wet, and then I take paper towels and I put a paper towel on the inside of my shirt because my bra is wet too at that point, and then a paper towel on the outside of my shirt, and I press it to dry it. And I do it like again and again until it's dry as it's gonna be. Anyway, usually it happens at work, in the cafeteria. So I'm gonna change the batteries. I'm really paranoid. My food's getting cold. Okay, hang on. Oh, it's still going. Okay, brand new batteries. Okay. So, usually I'm at work and I can go to the bathroom. Well, I was already a little bit tipsy at this point because I had been to some bar and I ordered some whiskey and I hadn't eaten much that day. I was a little drunk. So that by the time I was at this restaurant with them on, you know, well, I sat down and later discovered the stain. So I went to the bathroom. Not only were the bathrooms squatter toilets with like hoses that you had to turn on to flush, there was no sink and no soap. So I looked up soap in the phrase book and I asked the lady for soap and they gave me some soap. I put it on, actually I had a washcloth because that's what they do here. They give you washcloths so you can wipe your hands before a meal. So, that was a good bite. Cheesy. So they gave me soap, and I put it on my washcloth, and the stain was at the bottom of my shirt. I'm going to show you. The stain was like about here, and I had to scrub it. Really crazy. And I was scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. And the Korean people, some of them were looking at me. And I hated to do it. And I couldn't stop them. And I was really fast at it and really like amazing. It was a little strange. And totally embarrassing. But at the same time there was no bathroom and like, anyway, that's basically the story. I don't want to eat this anymore. I probably have like an egg and a half left. James told me I had to eat it. He says that I don't eat enough. I ate a salad like, oh, that was almost 5 hours ago. You can only do so much when you're sick, you know? If you're sick, you're not hungry, right? Isn't that normal? Although I feel a little better with this food, I think. I don't think I'm going to eat this last bite. I'm very full. All natural. Taste chunky salsa. Well, some people like salsa. Oh, God. Oh. I also said I'd make a documentary of getting water and gurgling salt water. I'll tell you, this is going to be a long one. This one. I don't really feel like editing it. I kind of want to just leave it unedited for once. I just had this big long thing, like this big long truth. True. Unedited. Making eggs and eating them.